Hey guys, it's Crazy Stuff with Leah, and today I'm showing you my slime collection. My mini slime collection. So let's get started. So first, I have this changing putty, this color changing putty. As you can see at the moment, it's purple. It's starting to change pink, as you can see. Then it's very nice. See, it's already changing pink. It's very nice, and that's homemade slime is better, but I still like it. And it smells okay. It's turning pink. Okay, put this away. Dun 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 dun. Okay, now I have move these slimes over there. Now I have this mermaid slime. Oh, so it's really nice, stretchy. And here's this row, pokey. Very nice. It's clear, as you can see. Very clear. Good crackling sounds. And yeah, that slime. Okay, so this slime I got from a friend. It's like a store-bought slime. It's farting putty. Very jiggly. Don't make any poking sounds, which I don't like about slimes, but that's okay. Like, it does make farting sounds, but let's test the farting sounds. Okay, it's really nice. Okay, and yeah, that's that. Why did I even take that out? It's really nice. Okay, and then I have this slime. It was made from Elmer's glue slime kit. It won't come out. It's only a little bit because I made it for my mum's class. Yeah, it's a little sticky at the moment, but that's okay. It's a little sticky, but it's really nice. And yeah, so I'm gonna put this back now because it's sticky. But that is really nice slime. Okay. Now I have this slime. Very nice. It's clear as well. By the way, I didn't mention about the Elmer's one. It's clear as well, but look at that. That's so clear. Good poking sounds. It's really nice. Sorry about the background noise. It's like a little bit, but it's okay. And yeah. Pop that back. Now I'm going to do the grand finale case. And I have this one. It's pretty much same as the slime kit with beads. Sorry about my phone. It's need charging. Yeah. This is very nice, very glittery, just nice, good swirl. Okay, poking. Good crunchiness. And this is really nice. Yeah, if you're wondering about this, it's just my roommate gymnastics top. Yeah. I'm very red. Sorry about my weirdness. Touching my face though, because just don't run out. But like, this isn't your first time hearing my voice, so hi. Yeah. Okay, now this song, the big finale, because obviously it's big. As you can see, it's like covering the whole screen. It's really big. It's really pokey. Does a good swirl, but like really big swirl, and it's really stretchy. Well, I forgot to tell you, it is the same as the mermaid one. If you're confused, this one just with things. And yeah, it's really nice. So that was my slime collection. Oh. Hello. And yeah, bye.